Shalom, Mister. Let me introduce myself. My name is Olvin Srikanimbuik. I am a second semester student at Stakupang in the PKGSD study program. In this video, I will present my first formative assignment for the English course. Proper nouns. Number 1, my name is Olvin. Number 2, we live in Kupang. Number 3, Mrs. Linda is our teacher. Number 4, Easter is a Christian holiday. Number 5, I visited Bali last summer. Number 6, Sony produces electronic devices. Number 7, English is an international language. Number 8, my best friend is Sarah. Number 9, I will go to Australia next year. Number 10, the capital of France is Paris. Number 11, God loves everyone. Number 12, Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Number 13, Stakupang is a Christian college. Number 14, I watched a movie at 21 Cinema. Number 15, Toyota is a famous car brand. Number 16, Christmas is celebrated in December. Number 17, Barack Obama was the president of the USA. Number 18, Rio lives in Kupang. Number 19, Google is a popular search engine. Number 20, Facebook was created by Mark Zuckerberg. Abstract nouns. Number 21, honesty is the best policy. Number 22, love is powerful. Number 23, education is important for success. Number 24, freedom must be protected. Number 25, she has great intelligence. Number 26, kindness makes the world better. Number 27, their friendship is strong. Number 28, patience is a virtue. Number 29, happiness is a choice. Number 30, we need peace in this world. Number 31, his courage inspired me. Number 32, trust is hard to earn. Number 33, faith keeps us strong. Number 34, success requires hard work. Number 35, jealousy can ruin relationship. Number 36, he showed real behavior. Number 37, justice must be served. Number 38, her beauty is unmatched. Number 39, knowledge is power. Number 40, respect should be mutual. Countable nouns. 41, I have 2 brothers. 42, she bought 3 apples. 43, there are many books in the table. 44, I see 4 chairs in the room. 45, I found some coins on the floor. 46, we have 5 pencils. 47, they have a dog and 2 cats. 48, how many friends do you have? 49, I received 3 emails today. 50, there are some students in the classroom. 51, he bought 6 eggs. 52, we planted 10 trees. 53, I ate 2 bananas. 54, the shop sells bags and shoes. 55, she has many dresses. 56, I need a new laptop. 57, the teacher has 5 markers. 58, there are birds on the tree. 59, I took 2 photos. 60, he saw 7 cars on the street. 61, I drink water every day. 62, she likes to eat rice. 63, we need more sugar. 64, there is milk in the glass. 65, He gave me some advice. 66. Do you want some cheese? 67. I need information about the topic. 68. We learned new knowledge. 69. Honesty is important. 17. The room has enough air. 71. Please add some salt. 72. Money cannot buy happiness. 73. He lost his luggage. 74. They gave us food and shelter. 75. I have some homework to do. 76. Is there any oil in the bottle? 77. Love brings people together. 78. Can you give me some help? 79. I have little time to finish this. 80. There is coffee in the cup. Subject pronouns. 81. I am a teacher. 82. You are my friend. 83. He is a good student. 84. She likes to sing. 85. It is a sunny day. 86. We are going to church. 87. They play football every Sunday. 88. I love reading books. 89. You look tired today. 19. He works in an office. 91. She lives in Bali. 92. It barks loudly. 93. We study together. 94. They come from different cities. 95. I don't like spicy food. 96. You always help me. 97. He drinks tea every morning. 98. She is my sister. 99. It is a big house. 100. We enjoy learning English. 131. She brought her notebook. 132. The dog broke its leg. 133. We planted our garden yesterday. 134. The boys forgot their jackets. 135. My family lives in Rotterdam. 136. What's your favorite food? 137. The boy wore his new shoes. 138. The girl tied her hair. 139. Our teacher gave us homework. 140. They cleaned their room. Possessive pronouns. 141. This pen is mine. 142. Is that book yours? 143. The red car is his. 144. The pink bag is hers. 145. That house is ours. 146. These toys are theirs. 147. The pencil on the table is mine. 148. The notebook is yours, not mine. 149. This phone is his, not hers. 150. The wallet is hers, not yours. 151. That blue backpack is ours. 152. Who spent this? It's theirs. 153. This umbrella is mine. 154. The keys are yours. 155. The glasses on the chair are his. 156. The necklace is hers. 157. That kid is ours. 158. The shoes belong to them. They are theirs. 159. The decision is mine. 160. Is the jacket yours? Possessive pronouns. 161. I hurt myself while running. 162. You must believe in yourself. 163. He made the cake himself. 164. She introduced herself to the guest. 165. The cat washed itself. 166. We painted the wall ourselves. 167. You should be proud of yourself. 168. They built the house themselves. 169. I saw myself in the mirror. 170. You can do it by yourself. 171. He cut himself with a knife. 172. She taught herself French. 173. The machine stopped by itself. 174. We fixed the problem ourselves. 175. Help yourself to the food. 176. They dress themselves. 177. I enjoyed myself at the party. 178. Did you make it yourself? 179. He often talks to himself. 180. She looked at herself in the photo. Demonstrative pronouns. 181. This is my bag. 182. That is a beautiful house. 183. These are my classmates. 184. Those are her shoes. 185. Who is this? 186. That is not my problem. 187. These are delicious. 188. I like those. 189. This is my favorite book. 190. That was an amazing movie. 191. Look at these pictures. 192. Don't touch those wires. 193. This is a new phone. 194. That is an old computer. 195. This belong to me. 196. Are those yours? 197. This is easy to understand. 198. That sounds interesting. 199. These are my pencils. 200. Let's take those to the kitchen. Basic adjective. 201. This is a big house. 202. She has a small bag. 203. He is a tall man. 204. The boy is short. 205. My grandfather is old. 206. That baby is young. 207. I feel happy today. 208. She looks sad. 209. The car is fast. 210. A turtle is slow. 211. He has a strong body. 212. Her voice is soft. 213. The water is cold. 214. My coffee is hot. 215. She is very kind. 216. This test is easy. 217. That question is hard. 218. The room is clean. 219. His clothes are dirty. 220. The food is delicious. Comparative adjective. 221. My house is bigger than yours. 222. This bag is smaller than that one. 223. His is taller than his brother. 224. The table is shorter than the door. 225. My father is older than my uncle. 226. I am younger than my sister. 227. She is happier now. 228. Today is colder than yesterday. 229. This exam is easier than the last one. 230. Her dress is longer than mine. 231. The road is narrower here. 232. He is stronger than I expected. 233. Your answer is better than mine. 234. This song is catchier than that one. 235. That movie was funnier than the first. 236. My phone is lighter than yours. 237. This chair is more comfortable than the sofa. 238. That place is more peaceful. 231. This book is heavier than that one. 240. She runs faster than me. Superlative adjective. 241. He is the tallest boy in the class. 242. This is the biggest cake I have ever seen. 243. She has the smallest hands. 244. That was the funny story. 245. He is the oldest student here. 246. I am the youngest in my family. 247. That is the best answer. 248. Today is the hottest day of the year. 249. She is the kindest person I know. 250. This is the most interesting book. 251. He is the fastest runner. 252. That was the worst experience. 253. This exam is the easiest. 254. She is the smartest in class. 255. It was the coldest night of the week. 256. There was the loudest noise. 257. He told the saddest story. 258. This is the most delicious meal. 259. The giraffe is the tallest animal. 260. This is the most comfortable chair. Regular verbs. 261. I walked to school. 262. She played the guitar. 263. They jumped over the fence. 264. He was the car yesterday. 265. We opened the window. 265. The students studied hard. 267. She watched a movie. 268. I finished my homework. 269. He talked to his friend. 270. They listened to music. 271. I visited my grandparents. 272. She cooked dinner. 273. We helped our teacher. 274. He liked the gift. 275. I called you last night. 276. They danced happily. 277. She smiled at me. 278. I painted the wall. 279. He closed the door. 280. We walked in the park. Regular verbs. 281. I went to the store. 282. She saw a rainbow. 283. They ate pizza. 284. He bought a new phone. 285. We ran in the morning. 286. I took a picture. 287. She wrote a letter. 288. He read the newspaper. 289. They came home late. 290. I drank some water. 291. She had a headache. 292. He made a cake. 293. I knew the answer. 294. We spoke English. 295. She fell off the bike. 296. He broke the glass. 297. I felt happy. 298. They left the room. 299. I slept well last night. 300. He gave me a present. Action verbs. 301. I run every morning. 302. She writes in the diary, her diary. 303. They swim in the river. 304. He sings beautiful. 305. We cook dinner together. 306. The children play outside. 307. She draws cartoon. 308. I read a novel before bed. 309. He cleans the room daily. 310. We dance at the party. 311. He drives a motorcycle. 312. I paint landscapes. 313. She studies English. 314. They walk to school. 315. He throws the ball. 316. I watch the sunrise. 317. She bakes cakes on Sundays. 318. They build houses. 319. He jumps over the path. 320. We plant flowers in the garden. Auxiliary verbs. I am learning English. 322. She is cooking now. 323. They are playing football. 324. He was writing a letter. 325. We were watching a movie. 326. I have finished my task. 327. She has gone to the store. 328. They have studied hard. 329. He had left before I arrived. 330. We had it already. 331. Do you like ice cream? 332. Does he speak French? 333. Did they call you? 334. He is not listening. 335. We are not ready. 336. She was not at home. 337. I have not seen it. 338. Have you heard the news? 339. Do they understand the lesson? 340. Has he arrived yet? Auxiliary verbs. 341. I can swim very well. 342. She could sing when she was young. 343. May I come in? 344. I might rain later. 345. You must wear a helmet. 346. Saul will go now. 347. You should study harder. 348. I will help you. 349. He would like something. 350. I can speak 3 languages. 351. She may visit tomorrow. 352. We must be honest. 353. You should apologize. 354. He might be late. 355. Could you open the window? 356. They shall finish the task today. 357. Will you join us? 358. She would travel if she had money. 359. Should I wait here? 360. You must finish your homework. Adverb of time. 361. I will go tomorrow. 362. She visited me yesterday. 363. We are leaving now. 364, they arrived late. 365, he often comes early. 366, I will call you soon. 367, we met last week. 368, she travels frequently. 369, I watch TV every evening. 370, they eat lunch at noon. 371, he studies at night. 372, we will leave in the morning. 373, I saw her last night. 374, she works daily. 375, he always drink coffee before class. 376, I will text you later. 377, we go shopping on weekends. 378, he visits his grandma every Sunday. 379, I will be busy next week. 380, she called me just now at fair of place. 381, please sit here. 382, the keys are there. 380, there, he is waiting outside. 384, the cat is sleeping inside. 385, look above the shelf. 386, she is hiding below the table. 387, they live nearby. 388, come inside the house. 389, I found my phone under the bed. 390, we walked around the park. 391, the children are playing outside. 392, she is not hired today. 393, put the book on the table. 394, the birds are flying overhead. 395, he parked the car behind the building. 396, the library is next to the church. 397, I looked everywhere but I couldn't find it. 398, he is standing in front of the class. 399, the baby crawl underneath the blanket. 400, stay right here. Adverb of degree. 401, she is very smart. 402, I am quite tired. 403, he runs too fast. 404, I almost missed the bus. 405, the room is big enough for us. 406, she is just arriving. 407, he can barely hear you. 408, I am so excited. 409, the soup is too hot. 410, this movie is very interesting. 411, I am extremely sorry. 412, she spoke fairly well. 413, the test was somewhat difficult. 414, he was completely wrong. 415, I am totally fine. 416, the sky is almost dark. 417, he is nearly asleep. 418, the bag is too heavy. 419, this shirt is just right. 420, you're not strong enough to lift it. Adverb of manner. 421, he speaks clearly. 422, she walks slowly. 423, they sing beautiful. 424, I did my work carefully. 425, she dances gracefully. 426, He shouted loudly. 427. The children played happily. 428. He answered the new question politely. 429. She drives safely. 430. I write neatly. 431. He laughed loudly at the joke. 432. The dog barked angrily. 433. She spoke softly. 434. The teacher explained clearly. 435. He acted bravely. 436. They worked efficiently. 437. She replied rudely. 438. I sang badly in the contest. 439. He jumped quickly over the fence. 440. We listened attentively. Adverb of frequency. 441. I always brush my teeth. 442. She usually wakes up early. 443. He often goes fishing. 444. He sometimes plays. 445. They rarely eat out. 446. I never smoke. 447. She is always busy. 448. He frequently travels abroad. 449. We occasionally visit the zoo. 450. You seldom see that bird. 451. They hardly ever talk. 452. I constantly check my email. 453. She regularly attends church. 454. He normally eats rice for lunch. 455. I periodically clean my room. 456. We often go shopping together. 457. He sometimes watches movies at night. 458. She usually studies before bed. 459. They rarely argue. 460. I never miss breakfast. Proposition of time. 461. We will meet at 7 o'clock. 462. I was born on Monday. 463. He arrived in March. 464. He has lived here since 2015. 465. I stayed there for their weeks. 466. I go to school at noon. 467. He left before lunch. 468. I called you after dinner. 469. We meet during the holidays. 470. The movie starts at 8 p.m. 471. My birthday is on May 10. 472. We will travel in December. 473. He has worked here since January. 474. I studied for 2 hours. 475. She arrived after the rain. 476. We eat before going to class. 477. They were born in 2001. 478. During the meeting, he spoke a lot. 479. I saw her at night. 480. Let's meet on Friday. Proposition of place. 481. The books are on the table. 482. The cat is under the chair. 483. She lives in the city. 484. The picture hangs over the bed. 485. He stood behind the door. 486. I sat next to my friend. 487. The school is in front of the church. 488. The pen is between the notebooks. 489. The keys are inside the drawer. 490. The kids are playing outside. 491. The bird is flying above the house. 492. The mouse ran beneath the sofa. 493. The chair is beside the window. 494. The ball rolled under the table. 495. The boy is hiding behind the tree. 496. There is a park near our house. 497. The lamp is on the desk. 498. The clothes are in the wardrobe. 499. I put the spoon on the plate. 500. The painting is above the fireplace. Proposition of direction. 501. She walked to the park. 502. The bird flew over the house. 503. They are going to work the school. 504. Please move into the room. 505. He ran across the street. 506. The cat jumped onto the table. 507. We drove through the tunnel. 508. The ball rolled down the hill. 509. The children climbed up the tree. 510. The ship sailed towards the island. 511. She looks beyond the horizon. 512. The dog ran along the fence. 513. He threw the paper into the trash bin. 514. Walk past the library and turn left. 515. The plane is flying above the clouds. 516. They hiked along the river. 517. The car sped out of the parking lot. 518. The ball bounced off the wall. 519. We headed toward the mountains. 520. The colt crawled under the table. Coordination conjunction. 521. I want to go swimming but it's raining. 522. She likes apples and oranges. 523. He can play the guitar or he can sing. 524. We will go to the park, so bring your jacket. 525. I was tired, yet I finished my homework. 526. They bought a car and motorcycle. 527. You can have tea or coffee. 528. She is smart, but she is also very kind. 529. We can watch a movie or play a game. 530. He studied hard, so he passed the exam. 531. I wanted to call you, but my phone died. 532. 532, the sun is shining, yet it's cold outside. 533, they are friendly and helpful. 534, you must clean your room or you cannot go out. 535, she sings beautiful and dancing well. 536, I like chocolate but I don't like vanilla. 537, we could take a taxi or walk to the station. 538, he tried to fix it but failed. 539, she is tired yet happy. 540, the movie was long but interesting. Subordination conjunction. 541, I stayed home because I was sick. 542, she will call you after she arrives. 543, although it was raining, we went hiking. 544, I can go out unless I finish my homework. 545, he left early so that he could catch the train. 546, we will start the meeting when the boss arrives. 547, if you study hard, you will pass the test. 548, they didn't go to the park because it was too hot. 549, I am happy though I am tired. 550, she waited until he came back. 551, while I was cooking, the phone rang. 552, you can enter to the room unless you have a pass. 553, he talked as if he knew everything. 554, we left early since the event was cancelled. 555, I will help you provided that you ask nicely. 556, thought that he was late, he still got a prize. 557, I didn't go out because it was raining. 558, she cried when she heard the news. 559, if you need me, call anytime. 560, we will go out after it stops raining. Correlative conjunction. 561, both my brother and sister like soccer. 562, you can have either coffee or tea. 563, she is not only smart but also kind. 564, I want to go neither to the party nor the concert. 565, either you study now or you will fail the exam. 566, both the teacher and the students were happy. 567, he is not only tall but also strong. 568, you can either stay here or come with us. 569, they want both freedom and security. 517, she will either call you or send a message. 571, neither the rain nor the wind stopped us. 572, we can either walk or take a taxi. 573, he is both funny and serious sometimes. 574, not only did she sing well, but also dance gracefully. 575, you can choose either the red one or the blue one. 576, both my parents and grandparents come to the party. 577. I want neither tea nor coffee. 578. She is both talented and hardworking. 579. Either you apologize or you will be punished. 580. We like both swimming and hiking. Conjunctive adverbs. 581. I was tired, however, I finished my homework. 582. She loves to travel, therefore, she plans a trip next month. 583. He didn't study counseling. He failed the exam. 584. The weather was bad, nevertheless, we went out. 585. I like coffee. Instead, I drink tea today. 586. He is busy. Meanwhile, I prepare dinner. 587. He them lost the game. Still, they were proud. 588. She was late. Therefore, she missed the bus. 589. I want to help, however, I don't know how. 590. He forgot his keys, thus he couldn't enter. 591. The movie was boring. Consequently, many left early. 592. She studied hard, hence she passed with flying colors. 593. It was raining. Nonetheless, the match continued. 594. He is rich, yet he is very humble. 595. I didn't like the food, however, I ate it anyway. 596. The exam was difficult, therefore, many students failed. 597. She didn't call, instead she sent a message. 598. He worked late, thus he was very tired. 599. The project is delayed. Meanwhile, we prepare a new plan. 600. They argued a lot. Nevertheless, they are good friends. Past simple tense. 601. I was tired, however, I finished my homework. 602. She loves to travel, therefore she plans a trip next month. 603. He didn't study, consequently he failed the exam. 604. The weather was bad, nevertheless we went out. 605. I like coffee, instead I drink tea today. 606. He is busy, meanwhile I prepare dinner. 607. The team lost the game, still they were proud. 608. She was late, therefore they missed the bus. 609. I want to help, however, I don't know how. 610. He forgot his keys, thus they couldn't enter. 611. The movie was boring, consequently many left early. 612. She studied hard, hence she passed with flying colors. 613. It was running. Nonetheless, the match continued. 614. He is rich, yet he is very humble. 615. I didn't like the food, however, I ate it anyway. 616. The exam was difficult, therefore, many students failed. 617. She didn't call, instead she sent a message. 618. He worked late, thus he was very tired. 619. The project is delayed. Meanwhile, we prepare a new plan. 620. They argued a lot. Nevertheless, they are good friends. Past continuous tense. 621. I was reading a book when you called. 622. She was cooking dinner at 7 p.m. 623. They were playing football yesterday afternoon. 624. He was watching TV when the power went out. 625. We were studying for the exam all night. 626. She was listening to music while doing homework. 627. I was walking to school when it started raining. 628. They were talking during the meeting. 629. He was fixing the car last Saturday. 630. We were waiting for the bus at 8 o'clock. 631. She was writing an email when I arrived. 632. I was cleaning the house all morning. 633. They were dancing at the party last night. 634. He was taking a shower when the phone rang. 635. We were playing chess when the guest came. 636. She was sleeping while the thunderstorm happened. 637. I was studying when the fire alarm went off. 638. They were eating dinner at 6 p.m. 639. He was driving to work when he saw the accident. 640. We were watching a movie at the time. Past perfect tense. 641. I had finished my homework before dinner. 642. She had left when I arrived. 643. They had already eaten when we got there. 644. He had studied English before moving abroad. 645. We had cleaned the house before the guests came. 646. She had cooked the meal by 7 p.m. 647. I had never seen that movie before. 648. They had gone to bed when the phone rang. 649. He had read the book before the test. 650. We had visited Paris twice before last year. 651. She had packed her bags before the trip. 652. I had met him before the party. 653. They had finished the project early. 654. He had called me before leaving. 655. We had bought the tickets in advance. 656. She had learned to swim before she was 10. 657. He had cleaned the room before guests arrived. 658. They had planned everything carefully. 659. He had worked there for 5 years before quitting. 660. We had already seen the show when you invite us. Past perfect continuous tense. 661. I had been studying for 2 hours before the break. 662. She had been working all day when I called. 663. They had been playing football before it started to rain. 664. He had been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. 665. We had been cleaning the mouse all morning. 666. She had been reading the book before she fell asleep. 667. I had been running when I twisted my ankle. 668. They had been talking about the trip for hours. 669. He had been fixing the car all afternoon. 670. We had been cooking since early morning. 671. She had been studying English for years before moving abroad. 672. I had been waiting for you before the meeting started. 673. They had been traveling all night before arriving home. 674. He had been working on the project before the deadline. 675. We had been watching TV for 2 hours. 676. She had been cleaning the kitchen before the guests arrived. 677. I had been thinking about the problem all day. 678. They had been rehearsing the play for weeks. 679. He had been sleeping when the phone rang. 680. We had been discussing the plan before making a decision. That's video I've made. That's all and thank you. Shalom.